Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to boost a Facebook post step by step. Whether you are promoting a business, a product, a service, or trying to reach more people in this tutorial will help you boost your Facebook post correctly and get better results. So let's get started. Step 1, open your Facebook page. First, log in to your Facebook account and go to your Facebook business page. Find the post that you want to promote. Under the post, you see the boost post. You see the boost post option. Click on it. Step number 2. Choose your goal. Now select your ad account. Step 2. Choose your goal. Now Facebook will ask you to select a goal. Click change button and choose your goal. You can choose get more messages, get more website visitor, get more engagement, get more leads. For most business, message or website visitor are excellent options. Select the goal that matches your business objective. Click Save. Advantage Creative. Click on it. Message destination. Step 3. Set up your audience. This one of the most important step. Click on Create New Audience. Now choose your target countries. United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia. You can also add New Zealand if you want. Next, select the age range. For most business, click here. For most business, 18 to 65 plus works well. Choose interest related your niche targeting, details targeting. For example, digital marketing, online business. It's dependable on your product or service. Man, woman, all. You can choose age select, United States, country. Details targeting. This product clothing category. So I right now select clothing type targeting, shopping, engage shopper, t-shirt, men's clothing. The more relevant your audience is, the better your result will be. Click on it, save audience. Scroll down, step 4, set your budget. Now choose your daily budget or total budget. You can choose daily budget, $5, $10, $15. You can choose anyway. If you are a beginner, start with a small budget such as $5 per day or $10 per day. Again, you can choose ending date or total budget. Click on it, choose ending date, 5 day, 10 day or 13 day. You can choose and select daily budget, $5 or $10. You can choose your daily budget and total budget $100 for 10 days. Budget sharing, click on it and off. Placement, you can always increase the budget later if the results are good. Placement, click on it. You can run ads, Instagram, Messenger from. I will run ads only Facebook platform. Step 6, review and publish. Before publishing, review everything carefully. Check audience, budget, duration, goal. If everything looks good, click publish. Go to ad center. Now you know how to boost a Facebook post step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.